Hello everyone, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Max class. This is third class in ellipse topic. In first class, we learned definition of ellipse and we derived its equation. In second class, we learned what is standard form of ellipse equation and what are the formulas related to it. See, when it comes to ellipse, total two types of ellipse are there in our syllabus. First one is like sleeping ellipse. First one, standard form of ellipse equation is like this. Now, the second one you observe, this is like this. This is, we call it as standing ellipse. This is not the standard form, right? But this is ellipse. What is the difference between first one and second one means? Here we know that this is A, right? This is B. In standing ellipse, A is less than B. In standard form of ellipse, A is greater than B. Okay. So here, what is this ellipse equation? This ellipse equation is same only. What is the same means? See, x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square equal to 1. This is the equation of ellipse. But here, how to identify this is standard form or this standing form, sleeping ellipse or standing ellipse? Here, this AB values are there, we'll observe. If A is greater than B, then it is standard form, first type. This is A is less than B. Look here, this part is smaller. A is less than B. In this case, in standing ellipse, this A square is there. What is A square? A square is B square into 1 minus E square, right? So, what is this standing ellipse equation? Standing ellipse equation is x square divided by A square plus y square divided by B square equal to 1. Here, what the point you need to note down? In this standing ellipse, A is less than B and A square is what? A square is B square into 1 minus E square. For this ellipse, what is center? Center of the ellipse is 0, 0. We'll write that. This is clear. See, vertices. What are the vertices? In last class, we learned that vertices are the ends of major axis. You see here, you observe this length and this length. Which length is bigger? That is major axis. So here this is major axis. Here we'll mark these points. This is A dash, B dash. What is major axis? This B dash is then, this is major axis because this length is more than A dash. End points, these end points are then, these end points of major axis are called vertices. What are these vertices? These are on y axis. This is 0, B. This is 0, minus B. So vertices formula is what? Vertices formula is 0, plus or minus B. Next one is focus. You observe this ellipse. For this is one focus, this is another focus. This foci is on y-axis. See, in standard form of ellipse, what is focus? That is plus or minus AE, 0. In this second form, in place of A, B will come in all the formulas that you will understand at the end of this video, right? What is foci? This is on y-axis. This is 0, BE. This is also on y-axis, but below the origin, this is 0, minus BE. So what is foci? Foci is 0, plus or minus BE. So foci is 0, plus or minus BE. Next is length of major axis and minor axis. See, in this is the major axis. Major axis. This length is B, this length is also B. So what is length of major axis? Length of major axis is 2B. Okay. In this, length of major axis is 2B, length of minor axis is 2A. See, this length is there, na? This length is smaller. That's why this is minor axis. What is length of minor axis? Length of minor axis is 2A. Next one, length of latus rectum. What is latus rectum? See, latus rectum is a line segment whose endpoints lies on the ellipse, passes through focus and perpendicular to major axis. See, this one is there. This is latus rectum. Length of latus rectum formula is last one in standard form of ellipse. What you written length of latus rectum? 2b square by a. Here length of latus rectum is 2a square divided by b. So length of latus rectum formula is 2a square divided by b. Next one is equation of directrices. You observe here, this is directrix, this is also directrix. This is parallel to x-axis. This line is parallel to x-axis. As this line is parallel to x-axis, its equation starts with y equal to. And earlier in standard form we written x equal to a by e. Here this is y equal to b by e. This length will be is then this length is b by e. Similarly, this is y equal to minus b by e. So what are equation of direct recessor means are y equal to plus or minus b by e. Next, distance between foci. You see here, this point is what? This point is B. This point is B. B plus B is what? It is 2BE. So, distance between foci is 2BE. Last but not the least, eccentricity. What is eccentricity formula? Eccentricity is denoted by E. E is equal to root over b square minus a square divided by b square. Here you need to observe one thing. Instead of memorizing this b square minus a square divided by b square, here you will get this equation of ellipse. Here a is less than b means b is bigger number, right? So eccentricity formula is bigger number whole square minus smaller number whole square divided by bigger number. Otherwise, simply you can memorize like this. Eccentricity is bigger number, this one. Bigger number minus smaller number divided by bigger number, right? So these are the formulas we have in second type of ellipse. Total 2 types of ellipses are there in our syllabus. We learned all those formulas. I hope you understand this class. If you like this video, please drop a like. Share it with your friends. In case if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.